What's up, guys? It's For Outdoors here with another video. Today we are going, or this weekend I'm going to be on a trek. We're going to go on like a 30-mile hike this weekend. We're in Ocala National Forest. So it's the Florida Trail, part of the Florida Trail. I don't know how much I'm going to film of this, but this might just be for me. It might be for YouTube. So if I upload this, then you guys are seeing this right now. But we're figuring out what we're doing, where we're going. Well, we already know where we're going, but we're figuring out where we're gonna get water at right now. So whenever we get there or whenever we start our hike, I'll let you guys know. And I'm just gonna pick up the camera whenever I think there's interesting stuff to talk about. So all right, so we are heading to Alexander Springs for the night. 10-mile hike today and then 20 miles tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'll pick the camera back up, but whenever we stop for lunch, I'll show you guys that and talk to you guys for a few. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. Alright guys, we've been hiking. The crew, we just dropped for a break and we saw this gravesite up here. It's pretty cool. Just thought I'd come up and check it out. There's like a road right here, and there's someone's grave. Just paying respect. Jeremiah M. Brewer. Died in 1877. This guy's been here a long time.
No, it looks like this is it.
This is like a road right here that goes all the way down the camp, down the forest, Ocala National Forest. So the trail we're hiking on is down there.
He's Jeremiah and Brewer.
We're only about 2 miles in probably. Got 8 more left to go today. This place is beautiful. Just a lot of pine trees and clearings and stuff like that. So I'll pick you guys back up whenever we get to the next spot or take a break or eat lunch. So peace out. I'll see you guys then. Just thought I'd pick up the camera and show you guys this. This is just a beautiful area right here. It's a clearing. It's a little lake. Probably be good for fishing, but don't have my fishing stuff. So we're just walking through. We got about half an hour till lunch. Chugging along. So that's about it. Okay guys, we just stopped for lunch. Making lunch now. Just put up my hammock because it's somewhere to sit. It's pretty liking these trails. Some of them are getting narrow, but we're getting through them. So feeling pretty good. We're having a tortilla with honey and peanut butter. I'm having some trail mix, some banana chips, an apple. So getting some protein, stuff like that. Everything we need. So, oh yeah, and the meat sticks. We got the meat sticks. So I'll pick you guys up when we get to the next place where we take a break or whatever. But we're headed out of here in a few minutes. I'm just gonna sit in my hammock and eat, and then we're out of here. So, all right. I just thought I'd show you guys this. We just came across these freaking people out here off-road. They got freaking stuck. That sucks. How you doing, man? Y'all having fun out here?
Well, of course.
You were?
No, still am.
Yeah, that's true. It's fun getting it out.
Do you believe that's intentional?
Yeah, it is, definitely. I believe it. What's up guys, we just got to the springs. We're at Alexander Springs right now. We're gonna set up camp back there where we came from. We just came here to get water and use the bathroom and stuff like that. So yes. No. Alright guys, we just got to camp. We just got done with our 10-mile hike for the day. We got our tent set up. Right now we're gonna go check out the springs. So I'm gonna pick up the camera back there and get some footage of me swimming around and checking out the springs. So, all right. This gonna feel good.
I'm gonna get hypothermia.
Is it cold, Jeremy? Oh, yeah.
Feels good.
It's supposed to be warm all the way out there.
You lose your pants if you try to swim fast. Kind of.
You lose your pants
Look at this.
if you don't have a belt on.
Wait till you see.
And I don't have a belt on.
No.
Bro, I got like cuts and stuff on my feet. This is actually about to help. Found some trash. Hey, what's up guys? I just met this guy named Jake. He's pretty cool. He has his own drone. So he's gonna tell you guys a little bit about it.
What's up guys? So this is CPAL. It's the world's first autonomous underwater drone for 360 video. And it follows you when you're diving, captures your adventure with 6 cameras. It lights your way with over 200 LEDs, and it keeps you safe by connecting you with your dive buddy, the boat, and the world when you need it.
All right, nice. Appreciate it.
Gen 1, yeah.
First one ever.
Was it expensive?
You guys go out there and look for it.
Yeah.
Well, since I built it, yeah.
So I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I'd show you guys that. But overall, this place is just beautiful. I'm glad we got to come out here and enjoy it. So I think we're gonna head back to camp. I might get back in for a few minutes, get some more footage, but after that I'm gonna head back to camp. Maybe we put the hammock up, relax for a few minutes, and then eat some dinner. And then the storm should be coming in about an hour or two. The sky's getting pretty dark. So it's supposed to be raining hard tonight and storming, but maybe we'll get lucky, maybe not, but I'm thinking we'll probably have a little bit of rain. So we're all prepared for that. So I'll see you guys back at camp. That's all. Later. What up guys? It's 5:30. We just woke up, or I just woke up. I'm gonna get my stuff packed up so I can be ready for when everyone else wakes up and we can get to go. We're gonna get out here early. Probably gonna stop somewhere in a little bit for breakfast, not eat here, just so we can get off the campsite and get going. Slept pretty good. It rained all night. Didn't really get anything wet because I had everything put up good, so should be good. Hopefully the sun comes out so we can dry our tents a little bit. But other than that, pretty good sleep. Ready to get today started. We got 20 miles today. Should be fun. Maybe tiring, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll catch y'all whenever we get on the road. Peace. Hey guys, we made it on the trail. Just ate breakfast. We're gonna stop in a few minutes for eat breakfast. We're going back to the intersection now, and then we're heading to Alamo Springs today with our 20 miles. So I'll pick the camera back up when we get to breakfast. That's about it right now. So we'll see y'all later. Peace. What up, y'all? We just stopped for breakfast. We just had it. It was pretty good. We're gonna go another few miles, and then we'll probably have another break. So I'll pick you guys up maybe. But that's all we're doing so far. So I'll pick you guys up whenever it's something interesting. I'll catch y'all later. We didn't cross Highway 19 though, because we got these two intersection drills. We like just crossed this road, because I know we crossed that road.
I think this.
No, maybe that was the road that we crossed first, and then we crossed this road. And now we're crossing this road, and then this is Highway 19. Because I hear Highway 19. Yeah, that's what we did. So first we crossed there, and now we're crossing there. All right, guys. So we just got to. We just got to about here, and we're gonna stop for lunch like here in about an hour. That'll put us to like 12:30. So I'll pick up the camera if I see anything else cool like this. This looks beautiful. So I'll pick the camera back up once we get to lunch. So, all right. As far as you can see, almost, it's all cut down. Just in the middle of the Ocala Forest, and then you get the rest. It's all like this. All right, guys. We just got in. Like we're like a half mile out from camp. So once we get there, probably gonna be too cold to swim or anything. We're gonna be at another springs, but once we get there, I'm gonna get my tent set up, and then I'm going to get some more water and then get cooking going soon. Do all that good stuff. Maybe set up my hammock and just sleep in it. Maybe take an hour nap. I don't know. So we'll catch back up with you. Here's the. Tells you where we're gonna go. We had a mile. So I'll see y'all once we get where we're going. So later. What's up, guys? We just went over to the spring. It was honestly like a pool. It was not that good. It was like a man-made spring, this one that we're at now. But we set up camp already. I got my tent up and my hammock up. I'll show you guys that whenever we get back over there. But we took a little hike over to the spring. So we're here now. So this is our campsite. I don't know if you guys can see much because it's dark. I got my flashlight. You guys can kind of see. Got my tent. I got my hammock. Alright, so I'm gonna cook dinner soon, and that's about it. So I'll film the rest of it, and then we're waking up tomorrow, and then we're leaving. So yeah, that's this trip. So hope y'all enjoying it. What's up, guys? We just woke up a little while ago. It's hella cold. I've had like as many layers as I had. It was like 32 degrees last night. Woke up like 12 times because of how cold it was, but it's all good. We're walking down to the springs right now to get a little store they have. So the springs look pretty dope right now. I'll show you guys in just a second. It's like steamy. They're like all steaming because of the hot, or because of the cold weather. So it's pretty cool. But right now we're gonna go pack up our tents, pack up all our stuff, and then head home. Be like a 2-hour drive home. So I will just end the video off here. I might put another clip or two in the end, but that's about all we got. So thanks for watching, like or subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the flip side.